Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, we're going to give you a quick little tour of what we can here at this, let's see, it was built in 1928 historic home here in Phoenix in the Coronado district area. So it's on, let's see, about almost 3/4 of an acre actually. So here's the home, just park the CA out here in the front. So this is it. It's a pretty cool little place. So we're gonna try to get you guys some shots of it here and kind of give you a quick little tour. It's they did a great job. The home is listed for sale, actually bringing some buyers through the home, but they did a great job. These owners that have it now did a lot of remodeling and upgrading the house. I think they did a fantastic job of bringing kind of the old and new to this property, so it feels like and flows kind of back in the era, but it brought a lot of the modern flair to the house as well. So it's good. Anyhow, so like I said, I'll continue with the tour here, show you guys around a little bit. So it shares that little driveway with the neighbor. And actually has a stoplight here, which is really nice as well. So you kind of get in and out. Here's the front. Guest house that they added and closed the original carported garage and made this guest house. That's where we're going to next here. And then they also recently just added this little workshop here. This is the little guest house. We'll go in there here in just 1 second. This little workshop here is pretty cool. It's a neighbor's house back there. No real fences or anything. Back around kind of where we parked there. Super cool little guest house here. This was added onto at some point. original garage right here. Fireplace, lots of glass in here. Kitchen, looking out on the grounds. There you can actually still see the original garage door areas here too. The original. It's got, they created this little patio. So that concludes that house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's kind of a fun house to see, that old of a house built here in the Phoenix area. So hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And you guys have any questions on that house that I might be able to answer, or any other house, definitely let me know. But thought it might be something kind of different that is kind of fun to see, that you don't see here in Phoenix a lot, especially. So again, thanks again for watching, guys.